But what if instead of reacting, we started responding with curiosity and compassion? What if we saw the trigger or stumbling block not as something to fear or avoid, but as a stepping stone to healing? Because that's what it is. A trigger shows you where a part of you is still holding pain, fear, or unmet needs. Well, here's a simple somatic 3-step process to transform a trigger into a teaching moment. Have you ever been hit by a wave of emotion so intense it felt like your whole body was hijacked? Maybe it was a harsh word, a dismissive glance, or a memory that came out of nowhere. Well, here's the truth that no one talks about. Your emotional triggers aren't the problem. They're just messengers pointing to places inside you that are ready to heal, grow, and evolve. Today, I'll show you how to turn your emotional reactions into powerful lessons, how to go from feeling overwhelmed and stuck to feeling grounded, clear, and in control. Because your biggest triggers can become your greatest teachers. Let's talk about how. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome to the Butterfly Event Podcast. I'm Heather Hewett, naturopath, clinical nutritionist, certified somatic trauma therapy. And around here, we explore how to regulate your nervous system, build emotional resilience, and reclaim your wholeness. Today's episode is for anyone who's tired of feeling like their emotions control them. And we're going to explore a new way to relate to triggers, one that's full of compassion, not shame. As my grandmom used to put triggers, she used to call them stumbling blocks, and we can turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones. And we're going to learn how. Ready? Well, let's begin. Well, the truth about triggers or stumbling blocks. Let's redefine what a trigger really is. A trigger isn't a weakness. It's a signal, a flare in the nervous system that says, there's something here that needs your attention. Most of us were taught to either suppress emotions or explode on other people with them. But what if instead of reacting, we started responding with curiosity and compassion? What if we saw the trigger or stumbling block not as something to fear or avoid, but as a stepping stone to healing? Because that's what it is. A trigger shows you where a part of you is still holding pain, fear, or unmet needs. Well, here's a simple somatic 3-step process to transform a trigger into a teaching moment. Number 1, pause and notice the pattern when you feel activated. Stop. Don't judge it, just breathe. Ask yourself, what am I feeling in my body right now? Do I have a tight chest? A racing heart? Do I feel overheated? Go there, be with it. This is how we interrupt autopilot reactions and shift to awareness instead of abandoning ourselves or numbing out. Number 2, get curious, not critical. Ask, what does this emotion remind me of? When have I felt this way before? Is this response or reaction bigger than the moment? You're not overreacting, you're reactivated. Something old is resurfacing, asking to be seen. Number 3, offer compassion and choice. This is key. Don't push the feeling away. Say something like, of course I feel this. That part of me makes sense. Then ask, what does this part of me need right now? Often it's safety, reassurance, it's space to feel without being judged. And from there, you have a choice. Your power is back. And that's the transformation. Well, how do we go from stumbling block to stepping stone? Let me tell you a quick story. One of my clients used to feel triggered every time her partner asked, "Are you okay?" She would shut down, feel attacked, and then spiral out. When we explored it, she realized that phrase reminded her of being interrogated as a child whenever she cried. Her trigger wasn't about the question, it was about the unhealed wound underneath. What she saw was that everything had changed. Now she breathes, reminds herself she's safe, and tells her partner what she really needs in the moment. No shutdown, no explosion, just connection. That's what turning a trigger or stumbling block into a lesson looks like. Well, what's the takeaway? Every time you pause, every time you get curious and compassionate instead of critical, you're rewiring your brain and nervous system. You're proving to yourself that you no longer are at the mercy of your past. Your triggers don't mean you're broken, they mean you're ready. Ready to witness, ready to heal, ready to step forward. So the next time something sets you off, pause and ask, what's the lesson here? What part of me is asking to be loved right now? That's how you transform stumbling blocks into stepping stones. That's how you grow. If this video resonated with you, please give this video a like, share it with someone who feels overwhelmed by their emotions, and hit subscribe for more nervous system and emotional healing tools. Remember, every trigger is a trailhead to healing. You're not too sensitive. You're just waking up. Thanks for being here. You got this.